Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today, I decided to redraw this really old drawing of mine that still haunts me. Here it is. It is very terrifying, at least in my opinion. I just gave up on it after spending an hour on it. I looked at this and I was thinking, this is not going anywhere. What is wrong? It's supposed to be yin and yang as people, but it looks more like possessed children. So I stopped, and I decided to redraw it because it deserves that at the very least. So yeah, here it is. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out at Soso Digital Art. I also have a shop. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye. Lafayette. I'm taking this horse by the reins with red coats with the blood stains. I'm never gonna stop till I make a drop and scatter the reins. I'm Lafayette. I go to France for more guns. Funds. I come back with more guns and ships. And so the balance shifts. We rendezvous with Rochambeau, consolidate their gifts. We can end this war at Yorktown, cut them off at sea. But for this to succeed, there was someone else I know. Hamilton. So he knows what to do. I don't know how fast it goes.